Rolex has dominated the luxury watch world for decades, but their reign is becoming increasingly vulnerable. Rolex has stopped innovating, stopped improving, and started simply raising prices year after year. The brand has become a status symbol rather than a quality statement. Meanwhile, other watch brands have been improving dramatically, offering better craftsmanship, genuine innovation, and superior value. Several luxury brands now produce watches that outperform Rolex in every meaningful way. These brands offer better movements, more distinctive designs, superior finishing, and actual technological advancement. The watch community is beginning to realize that Rolex's premium positioning is no longer justified. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 watch brands that could realistically replace Rolex as the king of luxury watches. These brands have the heritage, the craftsmanship, and the innovation to dethrone Rolex completely. Some of these brands already offer superior watches at comparable prices. Let's explore the brands that could change the luxury watch landscape forever. Number 5. Grand Seiko Excellence. Starting at number 5 is Grand Seiko Excellence, a brand that represents the absolute pinnacle of Japanese watchmaking precision. Grand Seiko produces watches with accuracy standards that exceed even Rolex's claims. The finishing and attention to detail surpasses Rolex in measurable ways. Every Grand Seiko watch is assembled and regulated by hand by master craftspeople. The quality control standards are brutally high, rejecting watches that most brands would consider acceptable. The movements are finished to levels of refinement Rolex abandoned decades ago. The cases are polished using techniques that create mirror finishes impossible to achieve with mass production. The bezels are milled with precision tolerances that actual engineers appreciate. Grand Seiko watches keep time so accurately they make Rolex sports watches look unreliable. The brand has cultivated a reputation for innovation in movement design. Grand Seiko has developed technologies that Rolex has not even attempted. The prices are significantly lower than equivalent Rolex models. Collectors and serious watch people prefer Grand Seiko to Rolex. The brand's integrity and refusal to compromise standards separates it from Rolex's cost-cutting. When people actually compare Grand Seiko to Rolex, Rolex fails the comparison consistently. Grand Seiko could absolutely replace Rolex if marketing reached mainstream consumers. Number 4. Patek Philippe Nautilus. At number 4 is Patek Philippe Nautilus, a watch that already exceeds Rolex's status in sophisticated circles. Patek Philippe produces the most refined watches in the luxury market today. The Nautilus represents integrated case design that Rolex merely copies. The finishing quality surpasses Rolex at every level. Patek Philippe movements are works of art that make Rolex movements look crude. The brand has maintained strict standards, refusing to lower quality for profit. Patek Philippe resale values rival or exceed Rolex. The watch community respects Patek Philippe far more than Rolex. Collectors aspire to Patek Philippe while settling for Rolex. The brand's restraint and refusal to cheapen models demonstrates genuine luxury positioning. Patek Philippe charging premium prices actually means something because quality justifies cost. The manufacturing precision makes Rolex production look like factory assembly. The attention to finishing details exceeds Rolex dramatically. Patek Philippe watches appreciate as their reputation strengthens. Rolex watches depreciate as brand credibility weakens. The brand has already begun replacing Rolex among true connoisseurs. Patek Philippe's conservative production philosophy contrasts sharply with Rolex's manufacturing scale. When discerning collectors choose, they increasingly choose Patek Philippe over Rolex. The transition is already underway silently. Number 3. Omega Seamaster Professional. Coming in at number 3 is Omega Seamaster Professional, a brand with heritage equal to Rolex and superior modern execution. Omega has maintained continuous innovation that Rolex abandoned. The Seamaster has traveled to space multiple times, genuine functional achievement. Omega movements incorporate technology Rolex does not even attempt. The brand has developed coaxial escapements that represent generations ahead of Rolex. Omega watches keep time with accuracy Rolex cannot match. The finishing on modern Omega watches exceeds Rolex standards. The cases use materials and processes Rolex has not adopted. Omega maintains relationships with NASA and military organizations, validating capability. Rolex has rested on reputation while Omega innovates relentlessly. The brand has earned credibility through genuine achievement, not just marketing. Omega watches appear on wrists of people who actually use them for professional purposes. Rolex watches mostly sit on wrists of people buying status symbols. The price gap between Omega and Rolex has narrowed as Rolex raised prices without improving. Omega represents everything Rolex was when Rolex actually meant something. Collectors appreciate Omega's commitment to development and improvement. The brand trajectory is upward, while Rolex plateaued completely. Omega could easily replace Rolex if consumers understood that capability matters. Number 2. Tudor Black Bay Collection. Taking the silver medal at number 2 is Tudor Black Bay Collection, a brand with surprising advantage of Rolex ownership combined with superior design. Tudor watches look more distinctive than Rolex offerings. The design creativity Tudor demonstrates exceeds Rolex's conservative approach. Tudor prices remain significantly lower than Rolex for comparable capability. The brand has developed loyal following through genuine design excellence. Tudor movements are produced to standards matching Rolex. The finishing exceeds Rolex in many cases. The Black Bay represents a bold, distinctive design Rolex would never attempt. Consumers increasingly recognize Tudor as offering better value than Rolex. The brand has momentum, while Rolex momentum stalls. Tudor watches maintain excellent resale value rivaling Rolex. The community perceives Tudor as underrated relative to actual quality. Rolex relies on brand recognition from decades past. Tudor builds brand recognition through current excellence. The price-to-quality ratio favors Tudor dramatically. When consumers compare specifications, Tudor beats Rolex regularly. The brand's distinctive aesthetic separates it from boring Rolex repetition. Tudor could easily replace Rolex as the people's luxury watch. The brand has inherited Rolex legitimacy while rejecting Rolex's stagnation. Number 1. A. Lange & Söhne. Lange 1. Finally claiming the top spot is A. Lange & Söhne Lange 1, the ultimate expression of watchmaking perfection that definitively outclasses Rolex completely. A. Lange & Söhne represents the absolute pinnacle of horological achievement. The Lange 1 complication alone surpasses Rolex's entire lineup in complexity and refinement. The movements are assembled by master watchmakers, not factory workers. Every component is individually decorated to levels Rolex never attempted. The finishing quality is almost incomprehensible in its refinement. The cases are finished using techniques perfected over centuries. The bezels are milled with precision that seems impossible by hand. A. Lange & Söhne watches keep time with accuracy that shames Rolex. The brand's heritage predates Rolex and includes far more significant innovations. The movements feature design solutions that make Rolex movements look primitive. The finishing on main plates and bridges exceeds Rolex by orders of magnitude. The movement finishing includes engravings and perlage work Rolex abandoned. Collectors who understand watchmaking recognize A. Lange & Söhne as incomparably superior. The brand has refused to compromise quality for volume like Rolex does constantly. A. Lange & Söhne represents everything luxury watch manufacturing should be. Rolex represents everything luxury watch manufacturing has become commercialized into. When people understand actual watchmaking, A. Lange & Söhne becomes the obvious choice.